Epstein with the Morning Price Update. And this update is for the morning of Thursday, the 13th of October, 2022, about 8:35 a.m. Central Time. So as we look at the market, a lot of red behind me. Here's the interesting thing. Before we came out with the CPI number, you were going up for the highs in these markets. I was up this morning watching it for a long time and going, wow, that is amazing. Bitcoin was still breaking, and it just went under 18,000, by the way. But it was breaking even with that market rally. The two had broken apart. Why? I can't tell you. They had been traveling together, stock indices, especially the NASDAQ with the Bitcoin. That broke apart. The dollar is up, but I wouldn't call it dramatic. 35 points isn't that. In the British pound, there's a reversal by mistrust. Tomorrow's the day that the bank says it's going to stop supporting the gilts. Don't believe a word of that. They have a mandate to do it. But the pressure from that with her own MPs has now got her talking very quickly, and that's what caused the pound to rally, a reversal of her tax plan. She's even talking now of increasing taxes on corporations next year. There's more to come, so that's what's got that market going. In the grain markets, they're all lower after yesterday's report. We saw the WASDE report, and as I saw the WASDE report, it wasn't that bad, but this report this morning, the CPI, is what's doing the market in. So let's take a look at it. First, we'll start with jobless claims, which went the right way for the Fed. They actually increased, as did the jobless claims on a continuing basis. But here's the do-in. You came in higher at 8.2% in the headline number. They expected 8.1%. And core CPI came in at 6.6%. They had expected it as high as 6.5%, not 6.6%. All the other numbers are there for you to look at. So what does this do to the market? It's pretty simple. The lag effect of rising interest rates has not taken hold completely yet. You need that to happen. It guarantees you're going for a 75 basis point hike or more at the November meeting, and it puts a 75 basis point hike on the table being seriously discussed for December. So is the Scrooge there? Maybe. We don't know that the lag effect won't kick you by then. That's 8 weeks away. It's a long time out. Let's wait and see just what that's going to do for us. In the natural gas market, they're looking for a big build, 123 billion feet, and yet the market's up. Winter is around the corner. I'm noticing this morning when I was watching the local news that there is some snow in parts of Wisconsin, Michigan, they're saying. So this could be where the market starts looking at it and realizes, forget the snow, because it's too early to be mattering in most of the country, but the cold weather goes with that, and that's what I think the market is focusing on. So when I look at all this, you can see it's an ugly start to the day. Anything to do with the dollar, exports and the like, all getting hammered. That's what I think is going on there. Be it, as you take a look, even cotton, here you go, you're reversing back in the Brent, and you just went negative in the nat gas. So what's it really leave us with green? Temporarily the British pound, but who knows how long that will even last. So it's an interesting time. Got to digest all the numbers, what it means, but you can push back the idea that, the Fed's going to be able to throttle back anytime soon. Let me explain it in one word. Actually, a couple of words. Not in 2022. How's that? Not in 2022. That's the saying you want to go with. Now, I'll be discussing this in just a few minutes on my website as I get in there with the spider, with the morning subscriber videos. Everything will be coming out there. I'll see you at that point. You have a good morning. I'm Ira Epstein.